Hello guys, welcome to my videos tutorial to how to use variable data types. So let's start. So go to studios and type first name space equals code and share length, enter, and last name space equals code bedra. Lastly is age space equals 20 code. So sample is decimal numbers. Weight space equals like 37 code 37. So mali siya. So go to print space first name siya parenthesis first name and print last name the parenthesis and lastly print parenthesis age and next print weight. So parenthesis so try natin no iran o that same the best sa print form. So guys, na print patuloy siya no Marcelo Bedra 20. So summary siya first name and last name, age and weight. So yan lang guys, thank you for watching my video.